You've probably had this happen before. You follow the recipe perfectly, but your cake comes out with a massive cracked dome. It is frustrating, especially for layer cakes. But here's the good news. This isn't a recipe failure, it's an oven physics failure. Welcome back to Bakeology. Today we are looking at the thermodynamics of baking. Let's look at what actually happens inside your oven. When you bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, the metal pan heats up instantly. Because metal is a fantastic conductor of heat, the outer edges of your cake batter bake and set very quickly. But here's what most bakers miss. The center of the cake is insulated. It remains liquid and continues to heat up slowly. As the baking powder reacts, steam and gases build up in that liquid center, but the edges are already hard. Those expanding gases have nowhere to go but up. They force the unbaked batter to erupt, cracking the surface of your cake. To prove this, let's run a test in the lab. Two identical cake batters, same oven, same temperature. Pan A is our control. It goes into the oven exactly as it is. For Pan B, we wrap the outside of the metal tin with a damp cloth, known as a bake-even strip. Watch what happens. In Pan A, the heat blasts the metal, the outer edges set early, and the middle erupts, a cracked dome. But in Pan B, the heat energy must first evaporate the water in the damp towel before it can heat the metal. This completely slows down the cooking process at the edges. Now the sides and the center bake at the exact same rate.
Step
The
1.
result? Pan B
Precision
comes out perfectly
flatness.
flat with zero cracks,
Non-negotiable.
ready to be frosted. If you want this result every time, you have two practical solutions. Solution 1, use commercial bake-even strips, or make your own by folding a damp paper towel inside aluminum foil. Solution 2, lower your oven temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 15 degrees Celsius. Baking lower and slower gives the center of the cake time to catch up with the edges before the structure sets. A cracked cake isn't bad luck, it's just an uneven distribution of heat. Control the temperature, and you control the texture. Subscribe to Bakeology to bake with science, not guesswork.